so on the average mic, we're replacing the shower head, the old standard shower head that came with the house. Easy to remove that, just a wrench, adjustable. So there's a shower kit, came with a couple washers. Make sure you get the washers in there. It's pretty simple. My wife bought a couple different adjustments. She's using the camera today. Anyway, so you get Teflon tape or plumber's tape, and make sure you go with the threads. I think I'm going the opposite direction, which is awesome. Nope, I'm going the right way. Couple times around. Twist this thing on there. It's larger than the 3/4, so I gotta get the adjustable out here. You don't want to go too tight because you'll rip it up. Good. Show you straight. On to the next pieces. Stop at part 2. Again, plumber's tape on in the direction, righty tighty, so you spin it around on the right hand side, so that when you go, it stays in the same grooves. Of course, the shower head spins with it, which is awesome. Until it gets too tight and it just starts spinning by itself. Really wish we could go to the 5 minutes. Oh, trust it, yeah.
Don't get Chloe!
There we go. Nice and tight. So we got piece number 2 on, wobbly wobbly. And then the third piece, we're gonna get the hose connected on. Third and final piece. So can get the Teflon and roll that thing clockwise around it. Plumber's tape, Teflon tape, same thing. Well, to me it is anyway. Take the hosey. Make sure you put the rubber gasket that fell on the floor back in the hole. Twist again, make it tight. Not too tight to break it, but enough to compress the gasket down. That's it. How do you test this thing, see if it's going to work? Turn it on. Alright. All done. That's how you put it, replace the basic model shower head to a Rain 2-part kind of thing, the white bought. Pretty simple, a lot of Teflon tape used. Thanks for watching Average Mike. If you like the video, subscribe and like, please.